Hey everyone, Thomas coming to you from MGMClassicCars.com. Today I have this fresh frame-off, totally restored 1979 Ford Bronco, finished in this beautiful deep bronze brown paint, as you can see from top to bottom. It is magnificent. Some details about the Bronco are listed on my website. Look at this EFI motor. Firewall all painted. This is painted in like an argent silver. Valve covers are done. I mean, this thing is really, really nice, guys. Let me close this hood. Look at that paint. Chrome is excellent. On the truck underneath, you can eat off of it. Big set of tires. Look at these door lips. Inner and outer jambs are excellent. Interior has all been redone. Door panels are great. All the glass is crisp on it. Excellent dash. Beautiful. They took this truck to the next level, boys. They really, really did. If there's any flaws on this body, I will definitely share with you. Trim appears to be all restored in original condition. In original parts, should I say. This is a power glass back window that does open with the switch. And this whole top, if you didn't know, this whole top here comes off the vehicle. Look at this thing. The floors underneath are all painted. Argent silver as well. Somebody spent $100,000 on this truck. Upgraded stereo system. Now I can't get that to turn on, that radio. Don't know why, but I just can't get it to turn on. You guys can mess with it. The body's a 10. Wow. Put this in. Park here. What's going on? Okay. Had to climb into the damn truck. Sorry about my language. Horn works. All the lights do function. Wipers work. I just couldn't get this radio to turn on for some reason. Everything works here, heat, defrost. boys and girls. That's a long way down. Wow. Okay. If you guys need financing or anything, please let me know. You will need about 10% down. What a beast. Look at that color. Wow. There you have it. So if you need financing and your credit score is between like a 650 and a 790, 799, 10% down is needed. Payments are tailored around your income and your debt. Make that payment nice and comfy. We have very long-term options if needed. For those of you who have a credit score of 800 and higher, no money down option is available. 6.94%, that's where the rate starts, and it goes higher from there. Depends on your term and conditions and your credit, your history, so forth and so on. If you need delivery of this bad boy right to your driveway, call or text. I'd rather you text me to my number, which is 847-848-1850, and I'll get you a quote. I will just need your zip code. Thank you and have a great day.